Hi there everybody. So in today's video I'm going to be changing the pollen filter on this Audi A3 2010, and that's the pollen filter there. It's the part number, that's the one I'm using. It's a Bosch, and basically if you get into the passenger side and we look underneath here, we have this cover here, which is it's just holding on by these little fasteners here. You can unscrew those. That's one, and that's the other one there. And then we can just grab this cover from the back and just pull it forwards and down. Once that is off, you can see this cover here. And inside there is the pollen filter. So okay, so what we need to do is you have that cover there, and you have this little flap here. If you just slide the cover and take it out, and you have the pollen filter in there. It's a little bit wedged on this end, but you can just get it down. Also note the direction of the arrows. These arrows are going towards this footwell here. So when you fit the new filter, just make sure the arrows are also pointing in that direction. Okay. So that's the new filter. That's the old one. Now this filter doesn't have any arrows showing on at the bottom here, but it can only go in this way due to the cut, the shape of it. So you have to just put it in exactly the same way you came out. So it will go in this way basically. So we can just push it in there now. that's it. And then you can get this other cover, and just make sure these little hooks line up. Then push it up and slide it back in place. Once you get that in there, you can then fit the okay. We can then slide this cover back in. We can put this cover back in. And that's it. That cover just sits, part of it just sits behind the carpet there. And that's it. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.